So this question also was from GATE 2020 for marks 1. The question is that which of the following regular expression represent the set of all binary string with an odd number of ones? So while solving this type of the problem, the best approach you should follow that start eliminating the options. This is the best option. This is the best way, I can say. So here we have given that is odd number of ones. So what could be the valid string? Valid string could be like that 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, like this. There are the various strings could be. Now we have to check that whether if we are generating such a string, this expression are satisfying or not. So check one by one. Take option A. In option A, what is the valid string first? First valid string we are getting that is 1. And one more thing I am telling you that in this type of problem, if you are solving, start the solving with a small string. Take the first small string, then after take bigger one. So the first small string could be 1. So we are finding that this is being satisfied over here. Now if we are thinking about this string, this is also a valid string because odd number of ones are there. But this is not being generated by option A. So our option A is incorrect. Now choose option B. Option B start with the similar cases. We are choosing different values, different strings. Now when you are choosing the string 1, 0, 0, then in that scenario we are finding that this is not being generated by this regular expression. So this is also false. Now think about the C. Option C, take again in the similar way the small strings. But that small string should supposed to be valid. So for that, if we are choosing this string 0, 0, 1, we are finding that this is not being satisfied by C. Now only option D is left, but still check option D. So when we are putting in option D, this string 0, 0, 1, this regular expression is also not satisfying this. So option D is also incorrect. So in that case, the entire option is incorrect. Actually, this is the incorrect question given by the IIT Delhi in 2020. So everybody got 1 marks for this question. Okay. So thank you.